In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Harami Bullish, quick and easy, inside Tradingview. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to add it to your chart in just a few clicks, and how to set yourself up to use it more confidently in your analysis. First, make sure you're logged in and you have your chart open in Tradingview. Any market or time frame will work for this, so just pick the chart you normally use. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the button labelled Indicators. It's usually near the middle at the top of the chart area. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all the built-in tools. Once that window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and start typing the word Harami. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of indicators below based on your search term. This helps you quickly find what you're looking for without scrolling through a long list. After a moment, you should see Harami Bullish appear in the results. It will usually be under the candlestick pattern section or similar, depending on your Tradingview layout. Make sure you select the one that specifically says Harami Bullish, since that's the pattern we want to highlight on the chart. Once you spot it, simply click on it once. There's no need to drag or drop anything. A single click will automatically add it to your current chart. As soon as you click, Tradingview will apply the Harami Bullish indicator, and you should see markings or labels appearing wherever this candlestick pattern shows up in your price data. If you don't notice anything right away, try zooming out a bit or scrolling through your chart history. The tool will go back through past data and highlight those bullish Harami patterns for you, which can be really useful for learning how they behave over time. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart to access its settings. This is optional, but it allows you to customize colors, visibility, and other display preferences so it matches the look of your existing setup. Finally, if you want to get more out of Tradingview, like additional alerts, more indicators per chart, and extra layout options, check out my affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more tools to combine with patterns like Harami Bullish in your trading or investing workflow.